It's not just your average development. It's intentionally designed to be a home for people and not just an apartment building. We've intentionally designed spaces around the home to live in, and we've taken a lot of thought and creativity to do that.
The initial thought was to create a house that appeared to be a renovated historical building. And I think we did a pretty good job with that.
We looked at quite a few different units within Germantown and some neighboring areas, and no other place could compare in terms of the level of finishes, certainly the layout and that neighborhood feel. They don't have the brownstones like this. I mean, the brownstones are just something that give it so much character, and even though we were downsizing, I really wanted to have something that still felt elevated.
The brownstone form comes from its rich heritage through the Germantown settlers that came here a long time ago. And you can find that architecture in the churches and some of the historic businesses and commercial buildings that are still here. So this is a way to kind of complement that existing historic fabric. You can look at it and see that the materials, the brick, the stone, the iron railings, these are more permanent fixtures that are going to live a long time in Germantown.
The amenities and craftsmanship was a huge part of the way that we approached Tennyson.
They were really deliberate about all the finishings and where they placed everything, you know, how the closet doors open or where the rooms are or how the shower works. Every aspect of the place is intentional. It's a surprise when you're like, why did they lay it out that way? And then you're doing something and you say, hey, they did that for a specific reason.
Our buyer here is looking for a little bit of luxury and a little bit of urban and a little bit of walkability and a little sidewalk and a little businesses, and who doesn't want to live out and deal with the traffic. And maybe their kids are getting older and they're running off to college. And this is a perfect solution for someone in that situation. That plenty of bedrooms for them to come home to, and, you know, plenty of room to grow.
It is about living a luxurious lifestyle as well. It is for the person that likes to walk to a market or likes to walk to fine dining, and then also likes to come in and they have their calm space that helps them center their mind.
When we have guests, I always try to take people to Little Hats, which is just an Italian deli down the street, which is fantastic. And then just wander around the neighborhood. Usually we end up back at our place on the roof and have a beer and kind of look at the skyline and look at the buildings and talk about the ones that have been built or being built even since we've been here.
Monday Night Brewery is in the Newhoff, and that's definitely a stop that our guests have enjoyed as they kind of take in the expansive Newhoff space. Just it's incredibly well done with keeping kind of some of the old with the new.
I want them to feel home.
I want them to think about all the memories that they could have here.
So I think when you come here, you have to see how you would live here. And so that's what I want you to see.
I want them to feel joy and to feel calm and to feel inspired for their day. That's a wonderful experience for me.